Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. As we discussed yesterday, okay, about Bajaj Finance. See, this was the swing low, this was the swing high, this was the dynamic resistance line, and this was a temporary support for this stock yesterday. Okay, what we discussed that if the stock goes below this line, okay, if the stock gives a breakdown below this line, then we won't short sell this stock until or unless the stock goes below 5377. As soon as it went below 5377, it never came back. Okay, the stock went down and it closed around 5312 rupees. Okay, so if you would have traded this stock, you would have easily earned this much money, around say 1%. So what will be the trading level for tomorrow? Okay, let's see. If the stock tomorrow also takes a resistance in this zone 5402, then only we will short sell this stock at 5402 level, and we will take the target of 5241. Thank you for watching.